जैसा कि लास्ट वीडियो में हमने देखा था ऑटोमोबाइल के बारे में, जनरल डेफिनेशंस देखे थे और इसके फंक्शंस देखे थे कि ये कैसा वर्क करता है, ठीक है। और हमने इसका क्लासिफिकेशंस देखे थे कि किस टाइप से हम इसको वर्गीकृत कर सकते हैं, ठीक है ना। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लोड, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ व्हीकल्स, ठीक है ना, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोजीशन ऑफ द इंजन्स एंड its layouts. Okay, then in this video we have to see the figure in general layout of automobiles chassis. Okay, so it is the construct by the different elements. Okay, all the things are assembled on frames. Okay, and it's assembled its own different types of cross members and make a frame which are support the whole body load and different system like steering system, braking system, lighting system and transmission system. Okay, so in this layout we can see engine, steering system, gearbox, clutch plates and universal coupling, propeller shaft, suspension system, braking system, cooling system and differential gearbox also on fitted in frame. And without body of the vehicle structure all called chassis. Okay, when body is assembled it is called vehicles. Okay, without body, seats, passenger seats are called chassis. Okay, so these are the arrangement we can discuss one by one. First of all we are discuss about chassis. Okay, which is support the engine, wheel, body, transmission system, braking system, steering system, and it also gives support to suspension system and springs also. Okay, so chassis are support in these all types of systems: transmission, braking, steering and suspension system also. Okay, and next heading is components of the automobiles. Okay, so automobile can be considered as a consist of 5 basic components which are given below and we are discuss one by one. First of all, the engine of vehicle, that is called source of power and called power station, where the power is produced and transmit the road wheels. And second is the frame and chassis. The main function of the frame and chassis is to support the engines, suspension systems, wheel, steering wheels, braking system and other system also. And third one is the transmission, which transmit power from the engines to the car wheel. As I discussed, engine power delivered to the wheels, and in these two stations many more components are connected to each other like a clutch plate, engine, gearbox, propeller shaft, differential gearbox, rear axle and the road wheels. Okay, so these are the line diagram of the automobile transmission system. And fourth one is the body fitted on the chassis. So body is that means passengers supporting seats and other trucks and buses are whole body which are covered uh, upper sides and covered the whole bodies, and other accessories including lights, air conditioning uh, and wipers, etc., headlights, braking systems and other hand brakes, all necessaries things which are assembled in automobiles. So we are here discuss functions of major components of the automobiles. So first of all, chassis and frame. What is the necessity and its functions on the automobile? So I have here discuss about chassis. सो मेनली चेचिस का काम जो है वो पूरी जो व्हीकल की बॉडी होती है उसको सपोर्ट करता है, ठीक है। स्टीयरिंग सिस्टम के जितने भी लिंकेज है, ठीक है, पुश रॉड, टाई रॉड, किंग पिन एंड व्हील्स, मेन रोल प्ले बाय द व्हील्स पोजिशंस आर very affected the steering systems. Okay, so steering system are mainly used to uh, use for turn right or left. When road is straight, then okay, no need to move and the steering wheel, but when road are curvature form, so we need to uh, move the steering wheel and whole body is curved shape. It means change the direction of the vehicle. So steering is the main role of the vehicle in running condition. So steering is the main part of the automobile engineering. Okay, and then second one is the main component is engine. So engine is the like example, it is the heart of the automobiles. Okay, which play the main role of the vehicles to run the vehicles. Okay, without engine it can't change its position, it can't move one place to another place. And in automobile generally used to internal combustion engine to develop the power. Okay, and engine it may be 2 stroke and 4 stroke. I discuss about strokes. What is the stroke? Basically 4 strokes are used, 4 stroke engine used in automobile, and other is 2 stroke. So what is the stroke? You know, question arise, what is the stroke? Okay, so we are here discuss about stroke. So before it I understood about how to define stroke. So in the engine cylinder, okay, the top position of the engine, that is called TDC, and the bottom side BDC. It means piston run inside the cylinder is to and from motion, it means reciprocate motions. So when the piston is towards the top dead center, that is called TDC, and when the piston move the maximum position in downward direction, that is called TDC. So these are the distance between the top dead center and bottom dead center, that is called stroke. Okay, when the stroke comes down in downward direction toward the BDC, that is called the suction stroke. It means when we discuss about uh, 4 stroke, so first stroke is suction stroke, second one is compression, third one is power stroke, and last one is exhaust. So when the piston move towards the BDC, it suck the air fuel mixture. In case of CI engine, oh sorry, SI engine, it means spark ignition engine, it's suck the petrol and air fuel mixture inside the cylinder. And next stroke is compression stroke.